Ladies and gentlemen, men, women, gents, ladies, adults, children, whoever you are, I don't know who you are, but I want to tell you one thing. Nigeria is sweet. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite Oriaku here. My name is Ijoma Mado, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. Ebe mini na agbano wute. So yeah, welcome. And from the title of this video, you can definitely, or you might not really know, but you can definitely tell what the video is going to be all about. So yes, most of you know I traveled to Nigeria during the Christmas period. Yeah, we actually traveled before the Christmas period, and we came back this year. And yes, I'm here to share what living in Nigeria looks like. For me, that is for me, not for you, okay? First of all, I will tell you, hi. I was just wishing, I was just asking, is it possible to stop the time? Is it possible to extend the holidays? Is it possible to do many things? That is, no, Nigeria is just it. See, let me tell you, in fact, what I call my stay in Nigeria is my luxury. I was living a luxurious life. When they say luxury does not only mean being able to buy Chanel, being able to buy Gucci, Prada, and all other luxurious items. See, let me tell you, if you're alive, if you have your brother, if you have your sister, if you have your relatives close by you, you are living in luxury. Now, let me break it down. First of all, I enjoyed having my family around. Here in Switzerland, before I go out, I'll always have to sort out where I'll leave my children. I'll always have to sort out how many hours they will stay there. Like, if I take them to the Tagesmutter, as we call it here in Switzerland, that is the day minder, if I take them out to her place, it's being calculated. I have to pay for it. If it's 4 hours, if they're supposed to stay 4 hours and they extend it even by 10 minutes, I'll definitely pay for it. But my sister, my brother, see, hey, see, but then when I was just back at home, I will phrase as home because that's home. I don't intend saying Nigeria every time because if I say Nigeria, it sounds as though I'm talking about a foreign land. So, but back at home, hey, if I'm just going out, I just carry all of them, bundle all of them, take them to my mommy, Anamadia. Like, there's something like you take them out and you feel at peace. Like, it's not like here, even when you take them to the Tagesmutter, it's possible, the possibility of taking care of them is there, like they will definitely take good care of them, but then you know that your hour is being calculated, so you just have to calculate if you're supposed to stay or if you intend staying for 5 minutes. You definitely if you take them there for 4 hours and you intend going to the city, like where I live is a bit far from the city, like I intend going to the city and I know they're supposed to take 4 hours, definitely it will take me 30 minutes to go to the city, and it will take me another 30 minutes to come back. So that is to say that I just have like 3 hours to stay in the city. But see, when I was at home, for the fact that here with my mom, I have no problems. Like, I was rest assured that, like, I wasn't even bothering myself. I'll just go out once more, like maybe I will count something, I'll just go, mommy, so I will just, if I go out, I will just feel if I just go out, I'll just leave them with my mom or my siblings, and there's something like, I wasn't even bothering myself, there's nothing like, hey, oh, let me rush. No, I will just go relax, do whatever it is that I intend doing in the city. Like, okay, because I was living like during the Christmas time, for me the best place to spend your Christmas is in the village. That is where you get to see people you've not seen for a while. Like those in the town, they just port from the town to the village because that's basically where people spend their Christmas holidays. The towns are usually deserted. Even those that didn't travel, most times they have one engagement or the other, so they're always on the way or they're always on the move. So that is just it. So for me, we're in the village. So if I intend going to the capital city of Imo State, where we are from, that is Owerri, I'll just leave them with my mom. I will go out, I will do whatever it is, like the ones that time can permit me to do, or the ones that time permitted me to do. And then there's nothing like no rushing, no bothering myself, nothing at all. I was just at peace. I'll just take them to my mom. One of my siblings, one or two of my siblings are there to assist her, so she didn't also have any problems. The only problem she had in the beginning was maybe she wasn't able to comprehend what my little ones were saying, but then with time she got used to them and she was understanding. They are there with my mom, my dad was there, so I'll just take them there. I'll relax, I'll go to town, I'll do whatever it is that I can do. Once possible, I'll just rush. I will then come back with nothing like rushing, nothing like hey, okay, Galo, nothing like hey, they're supposed to take 5 minutes and now I'll have to pay extra hour. So if you have your mother, if you have your siblings around, my dear, you are in luxury, no fake. Then on my way back, if I'm coming back, if here in Switzerland, if I should take them out and then I'm coming back, definitely I'll be rushing. Hey, what are we going to eat this night? So hey, I've not cooked or what? No. With this one, I will just, once we are approaching close to the house, close to my village, because my husband's place is not far from my mom's place anyway, so it's like a neighboring village. So as we're just coming back, I'll call her mommy, and now you're below. And that is just it. By the time I arrive, the food is already well prepared. Very well prepared food. It's not like this one, even if you intend going to the restaurant, it's like, oh, you don't know if they'll have what you want to eat. You don't know if the food will be tasty. You don't know this one. You don't have nothing like that. This one, when you arrive, you just eat correct meal. And that is that. Another point, like Nigeria, like they're at home. I'm sorry, Nigeria. They're at home. Like even when you're sometimes like, in fact, let me tell you something. It is this one that I went to, this Christmas that I went to, that I even remember that you can even have an afternoon nap. Yeah, even this one I'm making this video. I know how many times I don't tell the children, may they go, they watch TV. Not just sit down here do this video. There was a time I went to stay for a week in my maiden home during the festive period. Like as soon as I arrived, my auntie, God bless you, Auntie Olumna, my uncle's wife, she just took over Zubi. She was the one bathing Zubi, she was the one feeding Zubi. Everything Zubi was her. In the morning, my mom would call my younger siblings, these children have not eaten, get food for them, do this one, do that one, do that one. After eating, they will bet them. Me, it was just all about taking care of myself. Like, see, I intended before I traveled home, I intended doing about 3 or 4 videos, or even more than that. Not just like the vlogs that you'll be seeing or the vlogs you watched. I intended like doing sit-down videos with my siblings, or even alone or on my own. But as soon as I got home, in fact, do you know what it means to fling my phone? Like, my friends can testify to that. Many of them, like, if you call me and you catch me and I pick the call immediately, know that the phone, maybe I just finished answering a call, or that I came looking for the phone. The only time I searched for my phone is when I wanted to know, when I wanted to be sure where I left the phone, so that it doesn't get lost, or so that someone else doesn't pick it up or take it, whatever. It's still the same thing. Like, I just flinged my phone. Do you know what it means? Like, you have that human man-to-man communication. You just sit down, you talk, the other person, you see who you're talking to. This one here in Switzerland, the phone your phone is your best friend. In fact, let me tell you, when I came back here, the only thing that made me to miss Nigeria, the only thing that made me that reminded me that I'm back to Switzerland, is that I was carrying my phone around. Anywhere I'm going, I'll carry phone. Like, you don't want to miss anybody's call. But yeah, I'm sorry, my friends, all of you, I already apologized to you. Even before I travel, I apologized to some, that in case they call me, or in case I don't call as often as I used to, and or in case we don't talk as often as we used to, pardon me, because you know what, it will be a different ball game altogether if I should go home. So I just flinged my phone, like, not the way peace. You're not worried about all this person. You're not. You just enjoy life. Natural air, natural breath, everything natural. Yeah, even the water is natural, but I know it's also had its own problems. But I know you understand what I'm saying. Life in Nigeria, yes, it's difficult, it's hard, But one name, if you have those that are helping you, one name or no fee. And then here in Switzerland, you chop, you no chop, nobody send you. If you no cook, now you say you no go chop business. You cook, you no cook, nobody send you. Now your palaver be that one. Everything is just on your head. Everything, doing it all by yourself. Yeah, then at home, I know it also had its own problem because it was also during the dusty period. Like here, the children can wear clothes like that. I wash their clothes doesn't mean that it's dirty. It doesn't. Washing their clothes doesn't mean that the clothes is dirty. It's just that they have worn it. They sweated while wearing it. They played, and definitely to be smelling. But there, in fact, in the day, they might wear up to 3 clothes, 4 clothes, 5, as the case may be. Yes, because they are playing, they are packing sand, they are doing everything. Even then, when we are in Nigeria, so be like, their clothes are dirty, blah 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 blah. Nemo, my own. I remember telling my sister-in-law, see, there in Switzerland, people buy sand. They buy sand with their money. Like you go and pay to buy sand. People buy sand and keep it at a corner for their children to play, so that they will get that natural feel of play, not all these electronics. So there, my children, they were just busy packing sand. I never for one day tell them, cha, stop. No, not me. Even they were like, oh, they are playing. As they are, I tried explaining what life is here to them, and I told them, see, as they are, their name is Onye Shimara Lando Yamokwa Lekwando Rarama. So no, they enjoyed it. At least they got to meet their grandparents. They got to meet, at least my children got to meet my grandmother, who is also who happens to be their great grandmother. Like, they got to meet my parents. They got to meet my sisters, my brothers, and their uncles from their father's side, and their other relations. And most importantly, create memories. I talk with my sister almost every day, but after 2 days, bring the phone, ask my son, who is this? I don't know. No, you won't. Mom, ask my daughter, I don't know, blah blah blah. But no, if I'm talking on the phone, once they hear that voice, they're like, oh mommy, I want to speak to this person. So you can imagine what they have been missing. Like, they now know what it means that this is where we are from. This is our home. We are just staying here. So, my sister, if you never carry your pikin go Nigeria, if you never carry your pikin go your homeland, it doesn't matter. It must not be Nigeria, even if it's Ghana, anywhere, my dear. You need to. It's very, very important. So, just try as much as you can to take them home as often as possible, as often as you can. It's very important. They get to know their relations. They get, at least all these videos that we've been playing, all these videos that you've been watching, when they see it, even as just on the way, they'll be like, they tell me, oh, this is this place, we are going to this place, where are we here, this is grandpa's house, this is grandma's house, this is like, and there's nothing like that. So for me, yeah, it wasn't so easy, but I enjoyed my visit to Nigeria, and my children also enjoyed it. So now they'll tell you, even sometimes if you watch those videos, they'll be like, oh, I want to go to this place, I want to go to there, I want to see this person, where is this person? Like, even my son will just tell you, mommy, call this person for me. When you call the person, he will ask you, where are you at this place, or are you in nowhere, or you are in the village, are you in grandpa's house, or you're in school? What of uncle this person, what of uncle that, what of auntie this person? Like, you can imagine that interaction. Now they understand what we are talking about. Before, they are just looking at moping. No, now my daughter she'll tell me, mommy, grandma calls me Adugu, and the brother will ask her, what about me? She'll say, grandma calls you Somito. So you can imagine, like, now they know who these people are. They understand. When you tell them this person called you, they want to know more. Now they'll ask you, what about this person? Does this person miss me? Stuff like that. So for me, like, anyway, maybe those in Nigeria wouldn't see it that way, but for me, traveling from Switzerland to Nigeria, my life, I lived in luxury. That's like, luxury doesn't really necessarily mean you must wearing Chanel or wearing all these designer products. If you have your siblings, anybody around you, like your relatives around, it's getting late, so as you can see, the lightning has changed. So leave it. When you hear about luxury, it doesn't necessarily mean wearing designer bags, wearing designer glasses, clothes, or maybe living in a mansion, living in a luxury mansion. If you have your mom around you, very close to you, or if you have someone that even helps you, your siblings, anybody at all, my dear, you're living in luxury. And then you're living in Nigeria, you're living anywhere, you have your relatives around you, and you're still able to afford all these designer brands and the rest of them. Tell me, how does it feel to be God's favorite? Tell me, how does it feel to be God's favorite? So that is just it. Even being alive is a luxury on its own, because when you go to the hospital, those fighting for their life, even oxygen, if you know how much oxygen costs, the cost of oxygen, you will know. The only day you wake up, you just know that so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscription button if you haven't done so. And by the way, if you've not done so and you've watched up to this end, what are you waiting for? What exactly are you doing? So just smash the notification button so that you will always get notified whenever I upload another video. Have a great time. Mwah. Bye. Jenny Boo Boo. Hi. Mommy. Papa. Hello. Hi. Hi. Blow a kiss. Mwah. One after the other. Mommy, blow a kiss. If you blow it. Yo. Loving. I do like this. Join me. I do like this. I do like that. I balance well. Look here. I balance. Great. You come back again. Nice.